Do you know that you can become an athlete on Selar with just 2,000 naira per year? Now, this is the first video I'll be recording on Sailor athletes, like how to become like athlete on Sailor. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is just go straight down to your search engine and search for Sailor athletes. Just as simple as that, and you register with your 2,000. But how are you going to go about this thing? What are the processes? What are the things that you have to fill out so that it'll be working very well for you? Those are the things I'll be talking about in this video tutorial. So if you are new here, make sure you kindly subscribe and you make sure you comment below if you find this video helpful. You grab. So now all you have to do is like I've been using my Chrome browser for example now. Now let's say I want to register on Sailor Outfit. All I have to do is make sure that your data is on and you're following everything I'll be talking about today. So first of all, if you are not on Sailor before, maybe you don't know anything about Sailor. Sailor is just like affiliate platform. No, so like just like two-in-one platform. What I mean by two-in-one is that it can work as an affiliate platform. It can also work as a means for collect payment from outside Nigeria. You can also use it for just like landing page, meaning landing page. Let's say you have a teacher product you want to sell, for example, maybe ebook, video courses, video tutorials, membership classes. You can host it on Seller and sell it as well. So if you don't have a Seller account, so all you have to do is go to seller.co and register. But right now, I will not be talking about that one here. Yeah, I want to talk about the affiliate marketing part of it. So you want to do is that you search for Seller Affiliate Network on any browser. Maybe probably you are using Chrome or you are using your what's it called now? You are using your PW, no, it's not WP. Any browser. I've forgotten this second browser I'm using. So you just use the browser, maybe Opera Mini, maybe any browser. Just search for Seller Affiliate Network, just like this one, Seller Affiliate Network. So it will bring this one, Seller Affiliate Network home, like this. This is what you search for. Don't search for Seller Affiliate. If you search for Seller Affiliate, it should direct you to your own dashboard that if you add people as an affiliate, you grab. So that's what we're talking about. What we'll be talking about is how you can become an athlete on Seller so that you can affiliate people's products. You can even get some products with your affiliate links and all of them you grab. So what you want to do is like you come to this place like this, you scroll down, you see several things that people have been saying about their affiliate network, this and that. So if you want to register, just click on this subscribe now, just 2,000 naira for per year. I really love it so much because I personally am on it and I have faced some products which I Facebook ads, web design, and maybe something like funnel you grab. So I also recommend this course for people. Maybe I'll put the link in the video description. AMAP, like Affiliate Marketing Made Easy or something. No. Affiliate Marketing Acceleration Program. That was the full meaning of AMAP. Affiliate Marketing Acceleration Program by Caleb. Caleb is one of the top affiliate marketer right now. So I seriously recommend that course because I believe you are joining the community. It's not about the course alone, it's about the community. When you are in a community of like-minded people, you will grow very fast. You grow very fast. Now you want to register, all you have to do is like you register with your maybe 2,000 naira. It's bringing out this one just because I've registered. So if you haven't registered, it tell you that you are going to pay 2,000 naira. So you pay the 2,000 naira just per year, 2,000 naira per year instead of paying like 10,000 on Espartane. Or I'm not saying Espartane is not good. Espartane is very good. I'm also on Espartane. I'm just saying this one so that you can help people that are not on Espartane. You can also use TikTok as well. So if you don't know this about affiliate marketing before, you can check my previous video where I talk about honest truth you should know about affiliate marketing before getting started. Like everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how it works, how you make sales, how everything is done. You grab. Now, let's say I want to recommend a course like AMAP now. So I just search for AMAP. AMAP is affiliate market. I've talked about it earlier, like affiliate marketing acceleration program. This is 30,000 naira. So if you search for a course like this, you see affiliate marketing acceleration program AMAP. Is the price is 30,000, reviews is 198 sales that people that have gotten the course from seller you grab. Then if you want to get your own personal affiliate link, so you click on this get link. Make sure that you are not copying someone else's affiliate link. This is very, very important. So it's very important you make sure that your own affiliate link is the one you are copying. So you click on get affiliate link. So you see all these links, they are still affiliate link, but they are different. So one is the one that directs to the price, and one is the one that directs to the page. some of these affiliate people, they are not, some of these creators rather, they are not having affiliate page. What I mean by affiliate page is that just like a part of their website that is coupled with affiliate link, that we explain everything that is in the course, maybe the benefit, the futures, what is inside, a lot of them. So you want to do is that you come to this place. So me, what I will just do is I copy this last one, this one that is here. So I copied it and I send it to the client that I want to buy from me. You grab. So you can do the same for any course that I want to get. Just search for here, search it here, maybe copywriting, let's say layman guide now. I affiliate layman guide as well. I think I've made like 5 shares for layman guide or something, maybe 3 or 5 shares. I can't remember exactly. So layman guide is a copywriting course by Dollar Coms that I really love because I'm also part of the community. I learned copywriting from him as well. So layman guide is a copywriting course that teach you layman guide to writing word that sell, like how to sell with words and all of them. So if you want to get any of these courses, make sure you come to me. When you register through my own affiliate link, I have several personal bonuses. When you join AMAP through my own affiliate link, I'm going to give you my full house marketing courses, which I currently sell at the rate of 15,000 naira for free. Just because you are getting it from my own affiliate link, I believe that is the way I will help you. Everybody is born naked, but we are not born empty. There's something that you know that you don't know. There's something that I feel like gurus, several gurus, we know that I might know that they might not know. You grab. So that's why you combine people's knowledge. You don't just depend on the one you know, or you depend on what your coach is just telling you alone. You grab. So you try to combine people's knowledge. There are several other things that I know. There are several tricks sheets and several helpful links I have that I've added in my video courses. You grab. So this is gonna help you so well. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can free to share this video to your friend that wants to register on Seller, like you don't know how to go about them. So the first thing is search for Seller Affiliate Network, register with your 2000 naira, then come to this place, like search for courses that you want. Now let's say you've registered, how are we going to go about, let's say you don't want to be searching for seller affiliate network all the time. If you have a like you don't have a seller account before, or you even had before, how are you going to go about it? Just go to seller.co like this, seller.co. They don't have .com yet, it's not seller.com, is CO, say SEALAR.co. So you go through it like this, start selling with seller, it's directed to your own dashboard. But here, this is my own dashboard. It's directed to your own dashboard just like this. So you see something like this one. Here is the link to your affiliate network. This place like this place. So you copy it, then you copy it on Google or you copy it on your Chrome browser or anything, then you search for it. Don't copy someone else's affiliate network. Like don't copy, here's the link to the affiliate network. Don't copy someone else's product, please. This is very important. Make sure you like the link that you copied. Immediately you immediately you search for, let me go back to the exploit page now. Let me go back to the explore page. You see this one, immediately you click on this get link, they will send you get link like this. They will send you a link or your email address that you'll be added to layman guide affiliate network. So you will receive the link to the sales. This is what I mean by sales page the other time. This is the link to the sales page, and this is the link to the product itself. Let's say directly you don't want to beat around the bush, you want the person to just get the product and boom, that's all. So just this is the link to the sales page, this is the link to the payment link you grab, like the direct payment link. Now make sure you don't copy other people's products, because other people's affiliate link is very important. I lost a sale of about 30,000 just because of this ignorance you grab. So don't copy another person affiliate link. Make sure you compare, you look at it very well. If the client is kind of rushing or you don't know how to go about it, just tell the person to send money to you that you are going to pay for them. How you're going to pay for them is that you use their email address, you use their phone number, just make sure you put it the same, you follow the same procedure that you be using for people. So if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, you are free to come to my DM or WhatsApp 08103. I currently have a free community, so I can add you to it. I talk about marketing, sales, and everything on the community almost every day. I come here to share one or two insights of things that are going around and how you can leverage the internet for profit for you. You grab. So my name still remain my calculator. I'm regarded as WhatsApp Ninja. I teach people lead generation, digital marketing skills, and automation. So if you want to know anything about automation, WhatsApp automation, like saving contact automatically without touching your phones, sending bulk SMS on WhatsApp, getting leads, like you want to fill up your groups, you want to fill up your email address with lots of leads. So everything you need to do with all these things, that's what I teach people as well. So this thing will work for you. Follow my instructions. My name is Mike Akoli. Make sure you comment below if you find this video very helpful. See you in the next video.